Today we're installing an inner basket designed for the Yamaha Drive. Included in the kit are the mounting brackets, the basket itself, and the mounting hardware. To do this, we're going to use a marking pin, a tape measure, a 10mm socket, a number 3 Phillips tip, an 11/32 drill bit, and 2 cordless drills. Now let's get started. First we're going to start off with the bracket. You'll notice the single hole here. This is where it attaches to the strut on the outside. You'll also notice 2 holes on the top of the bracket. This is where the basket attaches. This tab will also point towards the inside of the cart, like this. Now we're going to attach our basket to our bracket using the 6mm hardware provided. Tighten your hardware and repeat this on the other side. If you have a windshield, go ahead and put it on now. If not, then carry to the next step. What we're going to do is place the basket to the struts at our desired height. When the basket is where you want it, make a mark. Now using a 5/16 or 11/32 drill bit, we're going to drill through the strut at our marked location. Be sure to wear safety glasses. Using the 8mm hardware provided, we're going to attach our basket to our strut and clamp the driver's side. With the other side clamped, tighten your hardware. Using a torpedo level, we're going to make sure that the basket is straight. First thing you want to do is remove the clamp. Place the torpedo level on top. Once it's straight, you're going to mark the hole for drilling. Again, we're going to use our safety glasses and drill through the strut and attach the basket with the 8mm hardware provided. You're now finished installing your GTW inner basket designed for the Yamaha Drive.